Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to show you 2 embellishments during front ochos.
Before we start giving you the details, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends. Now, let's start working right away.
Okay, here we are, 4 ochos. So we have front ochos without embellishments. 1, 2, y 3, y 4. Now, embellishment, crossing before pivoting. Step, cross, pivot. Step, cross, pivot. Step, cross, pivot. To achieve this, we have to cross before rotating. So I have the hips in a square position. I'm crossing, then pivoting, keep the cross, and then we go into the next position. So I'm crossing, pivot, and go. Cross, pivot, cross, pivot. Let's do this a little faster. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So we supposed to syncopate if the music is a little faster and you go 1 and 2. We syncopate the cross. So we do the cross in the middle of the beat. Step, cross, and rotate.
Very good.
Yes, so this is without lead, right?
Yes, that'll be without lead. Actually, leaders, I always encourage the follower to have space for embellishment. If you do regular ochos, of course, she can do those embellishments. But also, I try to recommend to the leaders to do an ocho and wait for her at this moment, just a tiny bit, without rotation, and then rotate. Hold, wait, and then rotate, rather than doing rotation right away, which is not good option. Give her 1 and rotate, 1 and rotate. This is if we are doing it slow. 1, change, 1 and 2. This is slow. If I do it faster, it still applies the same. 1 and 1 and 1 and, rather than doing 1 and. Yeah. So make sure that you give her, even if you keep the beat 1, 2, 3, try to always give her that little breathing room for her to do the embellishment.
Even if she doesn't do any embellishment, it feels better.
Yep.
Not to feel rushed from the upper body.
Yep.
Now, we have another embellishment which is cross and uncross. So in the front ochos, we can do this. Front, cross, and cross during the pivot. So you can mark a little punteo with the big toe on the back. So I'm stepping, I'm crossing during the pivot, and cross, punteo, and front. So we have cross and cross, step, cross and cross, step, cross and cross, step, cross and cross, step. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Cross and cross, step, cross and cross, step. Something important to the embellishment for followers is to keep the frame square with the leader. So because I'm doing the embellishment, it doesn't mean I have to bow or rotate the torso too soon. So keep the square so you can play with this, and the elbows are outside, opening. So he doesn't feel the work of your legs. He doesn't feel pushed or dragged by, okay, I'm doing this.
Yeah.
See, and not strong with the frame. Very important to do it just with the lower body without showing much on the upper body. All the work is lower body and nothing happens on the upper body. So we can keep doing this around with or without the embellishments. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So that's tips that you can apply during the ochos without moving the frame and without changing the speed of the steps. So musicality is always the same.
Yep. So if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a like. Also check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you are going to find a huge variety of embellishment for followers. She has actually 3 different courses in embellishment. It is included in your membership in our website, so you can access unlimited times to that one, or you can purchase separately as a downloadable course.
Thank you so much for watching the videos. We love to be your tango teachers, and see you on the next one.
Take care.